Hi there! In this short video we do one of the 4 self-driving tours which they have in Lightning Ridge. This tour is the red car tour. As you can see, it's marked with a red car door which is numbered. This one takes us to a number of opal fields and interesting houses, as you will see. We start out from the Caravan park and drive a short distance on Pandora Street until taking a left-hand turn at the first red door. We then continue along the gravel road and then turn left at the third door. This leads us past a strange house made from stone, bottles and beer cans, as you can see in some of the photos. Following that, we stop at the Ridge Castle, which is also built from stone and bottles. Then we continue from there to the highest point of this area called Sims Hill, about 170 meters above sea level. This area is actually where the first settlement began in Lightning Ridge back in 1906. From there we pass through various camps until we get to Amigos Castle. This is a privately built home from ironstone. The owner began back in 1981 building it using 44-gallon drums with planks as the scaffolding. Unfortunately, the elderly owner of the house was arrested back in 2021 for murdering a woman, which was a tourist operator. So from the Amigos Castle, we return to the back streets of Lightning Ridge and end up on Opal Street. We will of course do the other 3 car doors that are remaining and some other things.